Okay, well, it's Valentine's Day, and I probably have about 10 minutes till my girlfriend gets here because it's pandemic Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna try to sneak in some reading because I don't know if we'll be doing any reading later. Hopefully, we will not be doing any reading later, but stranger things. So, anyway, that said, here we go. 綾子はがっかりしました。Ayako got disappointed. そして綾子は映画館に行きました。So Ayako went to the movie theater. Ayako then went to the movie theater. Cool. 綾子が映画館に着いた時、その女の人も映画館に行きました。Something about Ayako got to the movie theater and the woman also got there. When she arrived at the theater, the woman was also there. Ayako はその女の人に挨拶をしようと思いました。Ayako, something about Ayako and the woman, I'm not sure. Oh, Ayako thought she was now going to say hi to her, so the woman. その人は字幕の映画を見たいので映画館のスタイトルと話しました。So the person 字幕 I'm not sure what 字幕の映画館 maybe 字幕の映画を見ました。字幕の映画を見たいので something about watching the movie and subtitles at the movie she asked for subtitles at the movie theater. The woman wanted to watch a subtitled movie, so she was talking to a staff member at the theater. Did I hit record? Yes. その人は耳が不自由でした。She was deaf. だから綾子が挨拶した時、聞こえませんでした。Something about Ayako meeting her? Oh, that's why she could not hear it when Ayako said hi to her. そしてAyakoはその女の人に手紙を書きました。So, therefore, then, Ayako wrote. Hold on. Ayako はその女の人に手紙を書きました。She wrote a letter to the woman. 一緒に映画を見ませんか? Would you like to watch a movie with me? Ayako then wrote a letter to the woman. Would you like to watch a movie together? 今、Ayako は毎日電車でその女の人ノートとペンを使って映画の話をします。Now, Ayako Ayako. Every day on the train, the woman and Ayako with a note and a pen talk about movies? Now Ayako and the woman talk about movies every day on the train using a notebook and pen. Okay, sweet deal. That's freaking great. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be done now. Maybe I'll read more later. I don't know. But that was a great reading. I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with how the grammar from Genki is coming along with this story. I might switch to another story. I might read this one more time. I feel like I'm actually making a lot of progress reading the same story over and over. So I'll probably keep doing that. But anyway, じゃあまたね